What's up, guys? It's Carlo. Let's get into this tutorial real quick. So first you got to start out with that witch hazel, right? You got to get enchanted here with the makeup. So you want to put that all over your face evenly. And this is what helps get that makeup to stay on real good. Another step to preparing to put the makeup on is the prep and prime spray that you put on, or rub that you put on your face. Again, you want to get your face beat. You gotta take that time to practice and prepare. So once you get that evenly all over your face, you can really get not too much. Okay, lastly is the foundation. Part of this prep look. You got to put foundation on, even out that skin tone. Make sure it's foundation that matches your skin tone. Shout out MAC, because MAC is my thing. And then now the eyebrows. Eyebrows are key to any look. You got to get them fleek things on, because eyebrows are, especially for this look, what makes it pop. Next, you got to put on this powder stuff on your eyes, because you know the eyes, for a more natural sort of look that we're going for, you want to highlight your features, highlight those features. So those eyes you want to highlight. You want to highlight your nose, lips, all that stuff. But we'll start with the eyes first. So we did the top of the eye, and now we got to do the bottom. So this is another sort of cream-based product that I like to use, and it gets rid of those bags. You know, I'm tired sometimes, so we gotta do that. X here, X there, X marks the spot. So to be more accurate, you want to put the little X's on your face, little dots, right? The powder here is to blend that cream stuff on your face. So you gotta blend it in, make it look like, you know, you didn't even put it there almost, but you did. All right, to give me powder here. So cheeks, you gotta highlight the cheeks. You want to put angles to your face, key, right? Contour, you want to contour your face. So that's what these cheekbones are for. You want to contour those things. And next here, you want to get some of this highlighter on. So this highlighter, glitter for the eyes again. So we put on that creamer on the eyes to get them ready to put the highlight on. So now we're putting the glitter on. Flip them brows real quick. Glitter on, and now it's time for these lashes. So with lashes, you gotta watch out for that lash glue. Don't want to put too much or too little, because you want them to like stay on. So look at them, little, they're almost like crows on your eyelids there, but they accentuate the look. Fan them down. Make sure that the glue dries and they stay good. Feels good. It's a little hot in here. And then to match that the dark of the eyelash, you got to put some eyeliner on. So again, this look, you try to make them eyes deadly to look at. Okay. Next, we got this lip pencil. Put this around the lips. It's almost like, you know, I would call it a lip liner. You want to line the bottom here like that. You gotta be careful. You can't go too fast on this part. The top, you know, again, accentuating this my natural lips here. They're always perfect. And so here we put some gloss on the lips. Again, it's gonna kind of blend in with that liner, trying to make them pop. You know, see me, I'm making that pop sort of face here to blend it all in. A little bit more on there, make them shine like Rihanna said, like a diamond. And then you just spray this. You want to bake the face, so you let it set, and voila, look at that, all done.